Good morning, grade 2s and 3s. I hope everybody's doing well. This is Mr. Allen here, coming from my mudroom, and we're going to do a little math lesson here today. And we've been working on measurement, and as you can see, I've got my chart paper at home with me, which is great. And we've learned about two terms that we use often in measurement. We've learned how to measure length, and we've learned how to measure width. Okay? And the length of an object or a shape is the longer side. So the side that is longer we call that the length. And we've also learned about the width, which is when you're measuring an object or shape, the shorter side. So we've been practicing measuring rectangles, where the long side, we've measured the long side, the length, and the shorter side, which is the width. And you guys have been doing a great job with that as I've been looking at your Google Slides and Google Docs that you've shared with me. So that's great. Today we're going to learn about two new terms that we use in measurement, and they are perimeter and area. And I want you to think for think for about 30 seconds. Have I ever heard these words before? Area or perimeter, and what might they mean? Just want you to think. What could area mean? And what could perimeter mean? So now that you've had a minute to think about it, the word perimeter means the outside. So if I was to measure the perimeter of a rectangle, I would measure the total distance around the outside of the rectangle. So what perimeter means, we're going to add it to our anchor chart, is the total distance around the outside of an object or shape. Total distance around the outside of an object or shape. So if I looked up on top of me here, I picked this room for a reason. I have a couple of rectangular cupboards. So I know that this side here at the bottom, down here, that's the longer side, so that's the length. This would be the width. And then if I measured all the way around the outside of this cupboard, I'd be measuring my perimeter all the way around the outside. So if that's what perimeter means, I wonder what area could mean. What could area mean? If the perimeter is the outside, what could the area be? And I'm going to have to move this down a little bit because I took too much space. Area. What could area be? Well, I know you guys, and you guys are really clever. So I imagine you were thinking area is probably the inside of an object or shape. And you're absolutely right. The area is the total measurement of the inside of an object or shape. So the key words in perimeter is the distance around the outside, and area is the total measurement of the inside. So again, let's go up to my fancy cupboards above me. Here we go. We know the perimeter is the outside, and the area is the inside. The inside of the shape or object. So we're going to keep working with area and perimeter this week, and we'll get some practice activities going, and I know you guys are going to do awesome. Talk to you later.